President John Dramani Mahama as I develop here. Emra, why do Otumfuo diplomatic passport evidence? And a kaka crabby and come a counting a Kenyan Safua and what NDC and kaka to webby as a human being. Yemfa member of parliament in Tunchain. Yemfa education Tunchain. As a human being, nipa wonya buana chain mo kon. As a human being, na me castle ni nyansa ba me ba chaw di ntia wa Jimmy. I President Mahama edge Otumfuo diplomatic passport. That is what it is. Ane me pa chaw me ready na mo tie bi. President John Dramani Mahama. I say we are former minister, Fadi Ebra. We are former MP. Obia will quite diplomatic passport. Religious leader, Duncan Williams. Religious leaders, Monfamo di Ebra, and traditional leaders and chiefs. NC President John Dramani Mahama, as I developed here, Ebra, why do Otumfuo diplomatic passport evidence? Ane. President John Dramani Mahama, Waji Otumfuo, reason is new boss, new laws. Obiadepa, reason is new boss, new laws. New king, new rules. That is the reason. Ekaka crabby, ekame counting a Kenyan Safua, and what NDC, ekake to webi. He nearly fooled me. I mean, Okudzeto Ablakwa ekake to webi. Neka medele ka enyansafua omo NDC ekake to webi. I mean, see eka se obi fuli mi a na me ka se onim nyansa ba me be chaw di ntia wa Jimmy na asem say I wete some enim was and when me hu video bi na me busa me won say honestly Okudzeto Ablakwa ofili se oye hwan Okudzeto Ablakwa ofili se oye hwan. Your first topic in Ekosono. Uko bifie one wunim nipa kurodin. Do you have any right to go to somebody's house without even knowing the person awako ni fie? And now uko incur judgment debt edi amagana out of your stupidity and foolishness. Self-entitlement. Ye kachama muntie no. Look at this video. Can see of Sankrofono. Maybe demon yamin at the same. So your dad is here. We hear he's preparing to move out. You are preparing to move out. Where did he actually go? So why is your dad complying with this unfair state capture order? You don't know why. Yeah, don't worry. We are putting you on the spot. Don't worry. But what's your dad's name? So your dad is here. We hear he's preparing to move out. You are preparing to move out. Where did he actually go? So why is your dad complying with this unfair state capture order? You don't know why. Yeah, don't worry. We are putting you on the spot. As a human being, Yemfa member of parliament in Tunchain. Yemfa education Tunchain. As a human being, nipa wonya buana chain mo kon. As a human being, when you go to somebody's house to look for the person, now Antona nebadi assembly eba. Hold on, mama me 1 minute. Why? Babes. Say over the family hospital. My person me driving. Me pacho over to McDonald's bring me why. Me ya live into me person me cut to McDonald's ne a smoothie bring me. All right, thanks. As a human being, not a dog. As a human being, obi de woka, obi ayo bone, uko ni fie, wa nkotono, ukoto ne ba. Kancha wo papa se me ba ha. One, Clearly video where say Okudzeto nipa no kwa nko ni fie, you don't know him. Ukwa be fie kobusa and say, what is your father's name? And I with the camera esi ne baso in the name of oral. And my question is, the oral team no mumu why and then they corrupt. Mumu why and allegedly hasn't faced corruption allegation in this country. Come and he who comes and then should come with clean hands. And I guess how do you go to somebody's house on camera, harass the daughter? Did we give the daughter any appointment? Nebana woyi ni free car mubusana say, where are you going? Why is your father complying to the law? Ono ene ye ne papa CV. Wasuma ne papa wa adwuma. You are doing a lot. 4 years is just around the corner. Okudzeto Ablakwa. Put that in your head. And I'm telling the family of the girl to seek justice. To seek justice for the girl. She's been abused. What bold them say, what is your father's name? And why is your father complying by the law? And where did your father say you guys are moving to? I say what? I say, was say Suffolk. I comfort to some and you are just bullying innocent people. Bullying the girl because you can. Emotional and physical bullying because you can. Okudzeto, why are you see a dentist and work on it? Obviously you are mad. Thank you. And then I will thank you. Thank you. Watch it. See how I will. Ghana is a mental country. You need to be mad to deal with the mad people there. Now we are girl after abusing the girl, trampling on her rights. What is the name of your father? So you don't know where you went to. You really don't know who you went to attack. After abusing the girl and trampling on her rights, she found the rights so. Find the human rights. Okudzeto Ablakwa. We girl the free car muno. And I will find the human rights. Now she human rights in the far gatamo. Michelle Solambusa said, spirit of entitlement. Is that you? Who we have a busa and say, what is your father's name? Really? Really? So you don't even know whose daughter you are attacking. Are you out of touch? Like, really? I didn't know a more has our own. Eish. Sometimes I wonder, say, when we are picking members of parliament, do they go to psychological evaluation? Because some people mentally they are not supposed to be there. And when you Okudzeto Ablakwa obi anyone mentally we say na obetimi akwa harassing obi awie na wabusa say who is your father? So you don't even know who you are harassing. What was your purpose in the house if you didn't know who her father was? Who took you there? What was your purpose? You, after harassing the girl, after putting somebody's child on national TV without her consent or that of her parents, then you question who is your father? Really? Honey? Really? Have you watched the video? Have you listened to yourself? Have you listened to yourself? Okudzeto Ablakwa, with all due respect, Ghanaians want me to ask you, apart from politics, you are so filthy rich. He who comes with equity, apart from politics, what else do you do that makes you so rich? Okudzeto Ablakwa, Ghanaians care to know. He who comes with equity, when your mouth and the sharp teeth, echo attacking an innocent child. Ghanaians want me to sit in this high office and ask you, apart from politics, what else have you? What else? Now why? Am I so rich and powerful to go and attack an innocent child? Yes, that question is for you. What's your press statement? Answer it.
So brothers way be wa susudi unkomo when ya to ye wama divina for
Afia Chamano or a former deputy communication officer NPP. Mame ya a chama or a former deputy communication officer NPP. Na a dear na mame ya chama aye a dear na wa ye wa NPP nimu ye bebo boso.